Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and enable auto dubbing on your YouTube channel. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video, shall we? So what you want to do is, first things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and log into your YouTube account and click on view your channel right over here. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on manage videos. Finally, once you've done that, as you can see, it's going to be right over here. Now you want to simply go ahead and click on settings. And then simply head into upload details. So right over here, and then head into advanced settings. And then there's going to be your dubbing right over here, as you can see, and you can simply go ahead and enable it right over here. It is only available in some regions, by the way. So if it is not available in yours, well, that sucks. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.